Now we can study group 14 elements. They are called carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Okay. Now regarding this, again same electron configuration. As I told, it is a NS2 NP2 configuration. 1s to 2s2 2p4, 1s to 2s2 2p6, 3s2, sorry, 1s to 2s2 2p2, 1s to 2s2 2p6, 3s2 3p2. These outer electrons are 4. Therefore, these can form 4 covalent bonds. First two elements are non-metallic and metalloid. These are metallic. So first two, they can form covalent bonds, mainly covalent bond, and all these have +4 state, and also, but these two main +4 and this one +2 +4 oxidation numbers. NS2 NP2 configuration, NS2 NP2, and ionization energies here was slightly changed, and see the value. Ionization energy of elements belong to group number 14. 1018 kilojoule per mole, 786 germanium, 761, 708, 715. See why I written all these values. Only to compare ionization energy value. First highest value, because you can form more covalent bonds, and covalent bonds are strong bonds. To break the bond, energy required is more. Therefore, ionization energy of carbon is highest in this group. The lowest, see here, lowest tin but not lead. Now compare these two. First three, 786, 761, gradual decreasing. 708, again here increase. From carbon to tin value decreasing, but here increasing. See here, but it should be having here 715 here, 708 here. But why this value what greater than this? So because of again screening effect. So screening effect of 4f electrons in case of SN is poor. This poor shielding effect or weak shielding effect of 4f electron in tin than in lead. That's why its value what less. If a screening effect is more, screening effect is more, so effective nuclear charge less. That is observed in last, but screening effect less. Screening effect less, effective nuclear charge more. That's why this value what lower. Effective nuclear charge is less. Screening effect is more. Ionization energy less. 708. Screening effect and ionization energy. Based on these two, we can explain. But less energy, screening effect is more. The more energy, screening effect is less. That's what is the conclusion. Here, screening effect more or less. 708, 715. Screening effect less. Here, screening effect more. Therefore, we can write ionization energy. Highest value carbon, least value tin. Carbon greater than silicon, greater than germanium, greater than lead, greater than tin. And radius also same. Pb greater than Sn greater than G greater than Si greater than carbon. There is a difference. Means it is like gas block element. Only in ionization energy, remember like this. Okay. So because of here screening effect or shielding effect. Then allotropy forms of carbon and catenation. Carbon, silicon, germanium, carbon, silicon, germanium, and tin, lead. catenation property, self-linking property of element. Atoms of the element, there is called catenation. Catenation number is highest for carbon, least for lead. Therefore, catenation goes on decreasing. But these two have almost same, but highest value for carbon. Therefore, melting point of carbon highest compared to silicon. There is in catenation, but highest catenation number found to be with respect to carbon. Catenation, allotropic forms, carbon can form diamond carbon and graphite carbon. Diamond carbon, graphite carbon. In case of diamond, central carbon atom bonded to 4 other carbons and bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. And all the valence electrons of carbon involved in the bonding, no free electron, and hence diamond is said to be bad conductor. And graphite layers are formed. Now you can see one carbon linked with 3 carbons and sp2 hybridized, 4 carbon sp3 hybridized, and each carbon contain 1 unpaired electron in what graphite, and the layers are formed, hexagonal rings with layers, and those layers are held by weak van der Waals force, and it is also shining but black colored solid. This is shining substance diamond, and the hardest substance is diamond, and sp3 hybridized carbon, and here sp2 hybridized carbon, and even diamond carbon can be used in what jewelries, but these are used graphite carbon mainly used to prepare what electrodes. Even in dry cell one can use graphite. Okay, like this you can write any points regarding diamond and graphite. Allotropic forms. Compounds of carbon: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, CO and CO2. CO is neutral, CO2 acidic, C triple bond O, C triple bond O, this is actually having one more electron. Anyway, it is a neutral molecule, but because of lone pair on the carbon, it can donate electron pair to central metal in complexes. Therefore, it can form metal carbonyls. D block element like Fe or Ni, when they combine with CO, they can form iron pentacarbonyl, nickel tetracarbonyl. Therefore, it is more reactive than CO2. But CO2 absorbed by plants, and during photosynthesis they can produce glucose. And CO2 can be used to prepare what? Cold drinks. There is a Henry's law can be applied to get cold drinks. CO2 plus water can form H2CO3, carbonic acid, but the CO cannot give carbonic acid. CO is a poisonous substance, CO2 non-poisonous. CO combines with hemoglobin to form a carboxyhemoglobin, which is more stable. A stable carboxyhemoglobin is formed, and that prevents what oxygen carrier property of hemoglobin. That's why it acts as a what poisonous substance compared to CO2. Then CO also acts as a reducing agent. It can be used in industries to convert metal oxide like Fe2O3 into Fe by using CO. Okay, like this you can give applications of CO and CO2, and which is neutral, which is what acidic. CO2 acidic and CO neutral. Then silicon compounds: SiO2, silica or quartz, Na2SiO3, Na2SiO3 sodium silicate, that is called glass. Even sodium aluminum silicate zeolites, ZSM5, that is usually used in petrochemical industries to convert alcohol into petrol, ZSM5 zeolite. and even as a resin in what filtration of water to convert hard water into what soft water. Then silicates, I told silicones. Silicones, they have formula. It is a organo silicon polymers. R2SiO. RSiRO. So this is silicone formula. But to prepare silicones, means R2SiO and type silicones, we need what RCl, or methyl halide, methyl chloride, RCl plus SR. So using that one, or SiO2, Si and alkyl halide, there is methyl chloride that can be used to prepare what silicones. So this time we can study the topic what P block element, but in detail you can read notes are inside the book. And using this knowledge, yes, we can solve many questions from question bank. For question bank, whatever questions are there, they are very simple. If you know a synopsis note and notes are inside the book, then you can answer all the questions. So in previous year paper question, there is a 2019 NEET and CET. See the question number 70. Practice paper, question number 70. Which of the following compounds is used in cosmetic surgery? Answer: silica, SiO2. Silicates, Na2, SiO3, silicates. Zeolites, no electrode, used in petrochemical. And silicones, yes, they can be used in what surgery? Cosmetic surgery. So answer is 3. Which of the following is incorrect statement? ZeX4 is more stable than GeX2. Means +4 state more stable than +2. That is known, understood. But they are asking incorrect, which is wrong. SnF4 is ionic in nature. SnF4, F small size, therefore it should be what forming a covalent. But they give ionic, that is wrong. That's incorrect statement. SbF4 is covalent in nature. SiCl4 is easily hydrolyzed because Si contains d orbital and O electron pair on O can be added to d orbital of silicon and it can form a bond with silicon and it can form SiOH 4 times. SiCl4 can undergo hydrolysis. It is possible. The answer is second. Question number 68. Which of the following species is not stable? Not stable. SnOH 6 times SiCl6, GeCl6, SiF6, SiCl6, but 2 minus 2 minus. Yes, answer second, because of steric hindrance. SiF, F is small, but Cl is large. Therefore, there is a steric hindrance in case of silicon. Answer is 2. Then, question number fluorine, boron, right? Which of the following elements is unable to form MF6 3 minus ion? Metal with F6 3 minus ion. MF6 3 minus. Gallium, aluminium, boron and indium. So these groups, these elements comes under group number 13. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. But boron smallest size. Yes. And it contains only 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, second orbit. And here no d orbitals. No d orbitals. But they give F6 means octahedral. To form octahedral, d orbital compulsory. Therefore, in B means boron, no d orbital and it cannot form MF6. But in case of gallium 31, aluminium 13, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. It's orbit number 3. Orbit number 3 is there in gallium, aluminium, indium. That's why answer is third. Next. The correct order of atomic radii in group number 13 elements are atomic radii. Yes, now only I told about atomic radii using values, but boron atomic radius least and thallium most, and there you have to compare according to synopsis points. Next, one more important point regarding inorganic benzene. B3N3H6 boron hydride plus ammonia, it can give what borazine or borazole or inorganic benzene, and it can be written as N3B3H6. It is called inorganic benzene or borazole. Ultimate product is obtained on heating B2H6 with ammonia. Yes, answer is what this one, borazine or inorganic benzene. Yes, you can read all the questions, simple, and you can answer practice paper, and in multiple choice, so some questions from multiple choice. P block elements. Consider the following boron halides: BF3, BCl3, Br3, Bi3. Levy's acid character of these halides are such that Levy's acid character, today I told Bi3 highest, BF3 lowest, and given in option number 1. And similarly, regarding borax Na2B4O7 10H2O, it is called alum, can be replaced by, so answer first, Na2B4O5 compound. Type of radiation of boron in diborane. Boron in diborane, yes, answer sp3 hybridized, but in key answers I gave 62, answer 2, you make it answer 3. sp3, not sp2, sp3. In what multiple choice, question number 62, there is a correction. Answer is 3, not second in question number 62. Then in fullerenes C60, C70, there are 2 types. And they have Saucer ball type, football type, Saucer ball, there is no Saucer ball. And Fuller explained the structure of what fullerenes C60 and obtained from what lamp black. Using that one can prepare fullerenes. And it contains 6-membered rings and 5-membered rings. 6-membered rings 20, 5-membered rings 12. 6-membered rings are 20 and 5-membered is only 12. And 5-membered can link with only 6-membered rings, but 5-membered cannot link with 5-membered. 6-membered link can link with 6-membered and also 5-membered. Like this we can study in case of what fullerenes. Buckminster fullerene is C60, C90, pure graphite diamond. So answer 2, C60. Then carborundum, answer silicon carbide 69,4. Which of the following bonds has the highest bond energy? C-C, Si-Si, question number 68. Ce-Ge, Sn. Therefore, carbon-carbon catenation highest, hence bond energy highest. And about hydrides in what group number 13, CH4 means carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Hydrides and strongly held with carbon, weakly held with last. Therefore, hydride, strongest hydride or least stable lead hydride, Pb hydride, and most stable methane. That's my answer 1. CH4 greater than, SiH4 greater than, GeH4 greater than, SnH4 greater than, PbH4. Answer is first. Inorganic benzene is question number 74. Answer is 3. Means most of the points I have covered in synopsis. And AlCl3 we cannot obtain by using Al2O3. AlCl3 6H2O. Question number 75. which of the following reaction will not give N plus AlCl3? AlCl3 6H2 if you take and heat it, then it undergo hydrolysis to form aluminum hydroxide, you don't get Al2O3, sorry, AlCl3 anhydrous. So that's why you go to tick answer first. Question number 98. Which of the following acids cannot be stored in glass? Answer HF, because glass contains sodium silicate. Sodium silicate and HF react to form silicic acid, and Na2Si F6 is formed. And 95. Carbon monoxide acts as a donor and reacts with certain metals to form metal carbonate due to. Means why CO can form coordinate bond with metal? Answer is presence of lone pair of electron present on the carbon atom in CO molecule, and that is also covered in the synopsis. Yes, about dry ice CO2, solid CO2 is called dry ice, and the use of CO2 is means dry ice is as a refrigerant, even in the ice cream. As a cooling agent, one can use that dry ice. Okay. So you can explain any number of points in case of P block, and better you read NCERT book or synopsis note or notes very carefully, and remember all the points and try to answer maximum questions. Multiple choice you have to solve. So with this I can say PUC 192, there is no NEET coaching. Whatever topics are there, all the topics are covered. Unit number 1 to 18 over. There is a NEET coaching over. Then in next class, there is a tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock, there is a KCET test model paper. 11 to 12:10. In 70 minutes you have to answer. And don't leave single question, because there is no negative marking. No negative marking. And answer all the questions and take freely 70-minute time and answer all the 60 questions. Then at 12:15 we'll upload that key answers of all the 60 questions, and if you get any doubts you can ask afterwards. You can message or you can ring me. And your marks you have to send through message in group or individual. Okay, but marks tomorrow only you have to say, maybe around 2 to 3 or evening, but we'll send you key answers at 12:15. But tomorrow at 11 o'clock KCET paper. Okay, so wish you all the best for KCET exam. And in the next month there is August. There I want to explain about some organic topics. Some students came late, maybe in the November end or December, and 2 units I want to explain. There is organic chemistry PUC first year, and those topics I will cover in next month, there is August month. And before NEET exam, about 1 week before NEET exam, I will conduct about 5 tests. One based on the PUC first year syllabus, second PUC 2, third and fourth combined paper PUC 1 and 2, like NEET model papers, and one grand test. Like this, total 5 tests I will conduct before NEET exam. Okay, so there may be in September month. I think it is in September month, but August last week I may take a test on NEET model papers. But tomorrow KCET test paper at 11 o'clock. Thank you.